Come across this old rusty flat bit. So you know what we're going to do, don't you? It's Blunt. Can you see that? B-L-U-N-T. James Blunt. And I'll show you it's blunt. We've got it in drill mode, don't you worry. Yeah, nearly through. That's one hot hole. Still the same bit. Gotta blow that hole. Yes, you do. Look at the state of that, man. So smooth, man. There you go. That's how smooth it is. So what I'm not going to do is apply any sort of science. Even though I could, because I've got this thing, but it's designed for the drill bits and not a flat bit. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Definitely sharper, isn't it? I mean, it looks sharper, but will it cut better than it was blunt? We shall see. Let's have a look. Right then, let's give it a go. Bloody wow. I was going to chuck that, you know. I'm definitely not chucking it now. I don't even know how many seconds, but I'm going to say 3. A good 3 seconds. So there you go. Save your money. Here's an R-fault, like. And that's rusty. Literally all I did was just a couple of seconds of grinding. No special bloody instruments to say, oh, you need it at this angle to cut it at this fast rate. That was fast enough for me and clean enough for me. The one thing I didn't show you was a disgusting hole, the first one left, and this one is pretty clean. First hole, second hole. I mean, to be fair, I wasn't trying to be precise or be neat about it, I just forced it in. Same with that. And as usual, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop it a like, maybe a comment and say whatever it is you're doing there doesn't work. Because either way, I'm still going to keep doing it anyway, so there you go. See you later.